welcome friend to the welcome to the my channel. That is hello brothers and sisters and brothers of America, India, America, and all the world joining us. So definitely, just we are going to discover some of the topics today. So I just talk on the topic which are what is I just talk on the spiritual topic. Just read one. I'm just reading one book which I have bought from the ISKCON, which is the International Society for Krishna's Consciousness in the Amravati. When there is a Janmashtami festival, and I'm just not reading the I am not completed that book. It's just the one gone, and just I'm not completed. So definitely, what happened? Just go through the book. It's just a founder. He just has to read about the founder of the ISKCON, and so much thing. It's a Bhagavad Gita. Means what is Bhagavad Gita? It's just मीन्स जो भी वर्ड निकले हैं कृष्ण भगवान के वो गीता ही बन गई है पूरी, नहीं क्या? जस्ट वट एवर द अवर लॉर्ड सुप्रीम लॉर्ड सेड, इट जस्ट बिकम अ गीता. एंड इन द बैटलफील्ड ऑफ द महाभारत, द श्री कृष्णा सेड द भगवद गीता टू द warrior Arjun. Means he just become the devotee, and he is the warrior and the field of the what we say at the battlefield of the Mahabharata. Definitely. So in the battle, so it is said that yes, just going to describe it. Just give me the give me the time. What is the story? Just going to tell you. Yes, there is in the Mahabharata there is a story of this very big story. I just going to tell you in just a short. There is one two kings. Means there is a Pandu and which is a Dhritarashtra. Pandu wife name is Kunti, and the Dhritarashtra wife name is Gandhari. And the Gandhari has the 100 children, and the Pandu has the 5 children, who's including the Yudhishthir, Arjun, Bhim, and so on. And in the Dhritarashtra side, the Dhritarashtra has Duryodhan and his 99 other children, other sons. Means and what happened? I'm just going to describe you. The Krishna, the Supreme Lord Krishna, when he's in the Dwapar Yuga, he is the what we say. He is the nephew of the Kunti. Means yes, definitely. Means the Kunti is the sister of his father. What is yes, Vasudeva. The Kunti is the sister of the Vasudeva. And in that battle, what happened? So why the battle didn't happen? Just because of the means it just the battle between the adharma and the dharma. And the time the dharma is definitely won, because whatever they say that the honesty means the because on the side there is the Supreme Lord Krishna on the and the fortune, means the goddess of the fortune, always be in the side of the always in the side who is means on which side there is a Krishna, means he is the wife, means Krishna wife, there is a goddess of the fortune, and definitely the one who wins, who is in the yes, definitely why the battle has happened. Just I'm going to tell you. So there's cost a lot of the story, and just I'm going to tell you in short what happened. Yes, definitely because of the greed and because of the cruelty of the Duryodhana. Means that the battle is happened this the Dhritarashtra brother, who is the Pandu, died at an early age because of some reasons, and what happened? There's the son of the Duryodhana, son of the what Dhritarashtra and the Pandu grown up together, and what happened? And means at the time when they grown up from the and just learn together from the Gulugul, just as the and from the what we think from the very they are become the supreme warrior. Means they are become the warrior, just like they are Bhishma Pitama. There is there are so many their gurus. I am not yes, Dronacharya is definitely there is a story of Eklavya there, And on the battlefield, just when just is happened, this we know that the who is the Draupadi, and the Draupadi, yes, definitely the on the because they played the dice game, because on the dice game they have lost means the Pandav lost, and definitely they go to the forest and they live there and for the many years, and when they come they just want some part of their kingdom, because it is said that they have to fulfill their means their what we they have to fulfill their work, means they are just what we they are the son of the king, means, and they definitely need to become, and this their work is to serve the peoples, and definitely they were wanting some regions or the kingdom from the Duryodhana. So Duryodhana has not means Duryodhana was not insane, means was not ready to give a single piece of land to the Pandavas. So that is why the Krishna means Krishna also confused that there is no need. Krishna also means Lord Supreme Lord Krishna also said that there is no need of the war. But at the end, because no one has listened to the Krishna, definitely the war has begun, and the Krishna Lord Supreme Lord Krishna just said that I am not participating in this war. But at the time he just give the two wishes that you can ask me or you can ask my what is means all my military or the military forces, and the Pandavas means the five brothers Pandavas asked the Supreme Lord Krishna on his side, and the what do you say the chalak क्या बोलेंगे chalak clever Duryodhan want the military power of the yes definitely the great military power of the Supreme Lord Krishna. So and the battle began. In the battlefield, when the battle started, just the Arjuna was very much desperate that why we should miss all his my brothers and my all teachers and my all the cousins and so on. Why should I bide? Means I just feel desperate. I'm not able to fight with my sons. What will be gained by sharing blood? I just definitely I just what will be gained by sharing blood? I just see everyone turning in flesh and mud. My legs are tremble. My hands are shaking. And definitely just oh what we say I'm not laughing, it's not time to laugh. I just what is I just read listen one audiobook I just downloaded for the Gita Shrivas, and it very very good, very you just have need to listen to it very carefully. Yes, definitely what is so why the battle is happen. Definitely the battle is happen, and all the sons of the Dhritarashtra, including all his on his side there is a Bhishma Pitama, and so on many his teachers Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya, all is killed in the battle by the Pandavas, and all is the son of the Pandavas, son of the what? Son of the Lord Dhritarashtra is killed in the battle, and the definitely the Pandavas won in the end. What is the Gita says that man should not be illusion, means the man in illusion is full ignorant. Four devotees are prevalent: wise, greedy, curious, desperate. First is prudent, rest fruit expect. Means just one who is wise is always be expected. One who is wise is always be expected. Man illusion is full much ignorant, means man is not to be illusion. Man is not to be illusion, is an illusion. And we need to summarize the Gita, and definitely is the one of the most significant book which is given to the mankind by the Lord itself, said by the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. And definitely and the further topic I just going to explore some more things on the Gita. Just a part of one, just this is the 10 minutes I just talk on the Gita. Yes, definitely I just come and talk every day. So I just yes, definitely I just build my own vocabulary, and definitely yes, man has to duty is means there is in the Bhagavad Gita it is said that we need to do our duty, means do your duty, not expect any return. Yes, we need to do our duty, and duty is the heaven, and duty is the God, and duty is everything. in the summary of the Gita. Thank you. It's just a 10 minute short 10 minute, and just definitely you are able to you just understand me, and I'm not very fluent, but I'm trying. Yes, definitely I'm be a good speaker, and definitely thank you. Bye bye. Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. Shri Shivaya Namastubhyam. Om Namah Shivaya.